Watch yourself, don't cut yourself on the blade.
Welcome back, everybody. I got a great video for you today. Putting a little extra time in to editing this video to give you value for your time. I'm going to get the video started, get the installation process going. And you also get to meet my new employee. Go easy on him. He's just getting started. I'm going to let you see how things go, and then I'm going to revisit you here in the workshop with the details and all the fine print. I'm going to go over the warranty, the claims on the front, and how they actually stack up to the fine print. I know how this works firsthand, so stay tuned for that. Link in the description. Okay, bring me the hammer.
Huh?
I need the hammer.
Oh, here's your hammer.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, you're very strong.
Yeah, I am very strong. Also, I have big muscles.
Yeah. Now I need my tape measure.
Oh, I can't find your tape measure.
How about the square?
I think it's out in the garage.
In the garage? And a half. You say 24 and a half?
24 and a half. Here's your hammer.
No, thank you.
Well, what happened?
Oh, the tongue just popped right off this, and now I got to recut it.
And here's your hammer.
Oh, thank you. Think you can do it right this time?
Oh, yeah.
I hope I can do it right this time.
Oh, here's your hammer.
All right, you hold on to that for just a minute. In the past, I've had to do entire rooms backwards like this, and it's not fun. This is the straightest wall that I'm kind of basing everything off of. That's why I started with this line, moving back into here, to go into the closet, move back that way.
Oh, yeah.
Then I'm going to have to move that way. That's the normal direction of progression.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. You say hi?
Huh?
Look up at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
You got a big head.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Okay, I gotta go hammer.
Okay.
Hammer time.
Okay.
product I'm installing today is called AquaGuard Premium Water Resistant Wood Base Laminate. I've used all the generations of this style of flooring. Back when it was wafer thin, back when they had adhesive, where you pull a little adhesive backing and stick it together, I've used them all. And finally, they're getting pretty good and they're very realistic looking. They no longer look like cheap vinyl. The cost of materials for this bedroom, what you're watching, including the foam underlayment, was $1,000. It's about a $999. Hammer, you can use any hammer, but in some cases when you're getting up close to the wall, you got to get a little angle on it. And having a soft mallet to kind of grip it and snap it in, this is what I recommend. It doesn't mar at all. All my cuts were made using this jigsaw. Easy girl. This jigsaw right here. Cuts real easy. The main benefit of this is its water resistance, or its waterproofness. And the top claim here, no worry water resistance, protects against water for 30 hours. If you spill a cup, then you got some time to get it cleaned up. If you have any sort of water leak, like a toilet breaks, or there's a flood or a freeze break, it's water on top of this, like a bucket of water spills on this, it's gonna be a bad day. All the flooring will have to come up, all the foam underlayment will have to come up, everything will need to be dried and reinstalled. Why is that, you ask? Good question. It's because of the mold and how that moisture will get trapped underneath this. Don't think you're ever going to be successful in doing a warranty claim. The temperature of the room can never get below 60 degrees and can never get above 80 degrees. If you fall into that and you have a problem with this thing coming unsnapped, or these tongues, these little tongues here can pop off. They're very weak. If you fall outside of that,
no warranty for you.
You can only raise the temperature in the room that this is to be installed in 5-degree increments. Now you have to make sure it's acclimated. If you live in an area where there's high humidity or low humidity. The low level for humidity on this is 35%, high is considered 70%. The temperature of the room during installation has to be between 60 and 78 degrees. I'll get a lot of questions about,
Hey, you're not installing expansion joints, handyman. Don't you need expansion joints?
well, you do. These are the requirements of the new style. If you have over 4,350 square feet, you need expansion joints. If you have a run that goes more than 68 feet, you need an expansion joint. So for this bedroom, you don't need an expansion joint. You need a 1/2-inch gap between the edge and the wall surface around the perimeter. Putting heavy objects on top of this floor, you might see some of the seams popping. You're not supposed to put heavy things on top of this floor. You're not supposed to put fixed items like cabinets on top of this floor. Like if you're putting this in a kitchen, don't be putting your kitchen cabinets on top of it. You got to cut around it. If you're doing a vanity in a bathroom, cut around it. Installing a toilet, not supposed to be putting it on top of this. You're supposed to be scribing and cutting around it. Hopefully I went through that quickly enough so that you didn't fall asleep. Now we're going to go back to the video. We're going to speed things up and you're going to watch me complete the installation of this floor. If you've got questions, put them down below. Maybe watch to the end so you can see exactly how it all goes together. Today's video is brought to you by Slick Deals. Slick Deals is a browser extension to help you find good deals when you're shopping online. It works on all your favorite websites. I use it all the time now for shopping. I'm kind of an online shopping addict. I'm always looking for a good deal. I'm always looking for something. Like this hammer here, got this on the internet. This big jug of glue, got this on the internet. I'm going to show you real quick how it works.
I've got the Lowe's website open. You can see right up here in the corner, there is a little $sign and a D. And we're going to click that to see what deals are available at Lowe's. This first deal here is pretty amazing. I have this tool. We're going to click this, opens up a new window, and right here tells you about the deal. Is an in-store only clearance item. So you got to go to the actual store to purchase this. Free! I like free. Let's click it and see the deal. So right here, this explains the details of the deal. Lowe's offers this saw for free when you purchase select 20-volt max power tools. And this is the community member that found this deal.
Thanks again to Slick Deals for sponsoring this video. Check the link in the top of the description. Download the browser extension. It's free to use. Now back to the video. So this will probably be one of the most difficult pieces to put in. I think I can slide her in. It's got to go underneath that the bin. Yeah, right. So I can't get back here to hammer. This stuff is pretty fragile. You can use your capping block and a pry bar against the wall, pry against an area that's got a stud. Sissy shoes. All right, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you got some value out of it for your next flooring project. If you like watching home improvement videos, this is the channel for you. Click the subscribe button, click the bell so you know when the new videos come out. Check me out on Instagram. I post a lot of behind the scenes activities of my day-to-day work life on my Instagram. Put it on the screen and I'll put it down below in the description as well. Oh, go check out my size 12s. Link for these will be down there too. Goodbye.